The Confederation of African Football, in consultation with the three nations that will host Total Energy CAF African Nation Championships, namely Kenya, Tanzania and Uganda, have announced the venues that will host the opening, third, fourth and the final match of the competition. The Total Energies CAF African Nations Championship in Kenya, Tanzania and Uganda, the CHAN 2024, will be held between 2nd and 30 August 2025. However, this year tournament is called CHAN 2024, while it is 2025, so someone may ask, why is that? The reason is this tournament was supposed to be done in 2024, but it was postponed to 2025 due to several reasons. For example, venues and the infrastructures for the tournament was not ready, so CAF had to postpone it to 2025 to give the room for countries to prepare. So as of now, we know where the opening game and the final will be played. But before we see that, let's see the venues that will be used in this tournament in general, the venues in Kenya, Tanzania and Uganda. The first is Aman Stadium, located in Zanzibar City. This is a historic and culturally significant venue in Tanzania. Originally built in 1970 with support from Chinese government, it was the first stadium China constructed in Africa, marking the start of its stadium diplomacy. The stadium has a capacity of around 20,000 spectators and serves as the home ground for local clubs like KMKM FC. Beyond sports, Aman Stadium has played a central role in Zanzibar's political history. It hosted the 1977 ceremony that united the Afro-Shirazi Party and the Tanganyika African National Union into Chama cha Mapinduzi (CCM). It is also the site of the annual Revolution Day celebrations on January 12th. Recently, the stadium underwent major renovations, including the installation of floodlights in preparation for 2027 African Cup of Nations, which Tanzania will co-host with Kenya and Uganda. The upgrades have transformed it into a modern venue capable of hosting night matches and large-scale events. It is more than just a sports arena, it is a symbol of Zanzibar's resilience, unity and evolving identity. The second venue is Mandela National Stadium, also known as Namboole. This is Uganda's largest sports venue, located just outside Kampala. Opened in 1997 and named in honor of Nelson Mandela. It was built with a $36 million grant from China and has a current capacity of around 45,000 spectators. The stadium is home to the Ugandan national football team, the Cranes, and has hosted major events including international football matches and concerts. After falling into despair and being blacklisted by CAF in 2020, it underwent major innovations led by the Uganda's People Defence Force Engineering Brigade. These upgrades included a new seating, floodlights, dressing rooms, and refreshed pitch. Mandela Stadium is set to play a key role in the 2025 African Nations Championship CHAN. It is more than just a stadium, it is a symbol of Uganda's sporting pride and regional ambitions. The third venue is Benjamin Mkapa Stadium, also known as Tanzania's national main stadium. This is the largest stadium in Tanzania and one of the biggest in Africa, with a seating capacity of 60,000 spectators. Located in Temeke district of Dar es Salaam, it was officially opened in 2007 and built adjacent to the historic Uhuru Stadium. The stadium was constructed by the Beijing Construction Engineering Group at a cost of $56 million as part of China's broader infrastructure support in Africa. It serves as the home ground for the Tanzania national football team, as well as top local clubs like Simba Sports Club and Young African Sports Club. Beyond football, Benjamin Mkapa Stadium hosts national celebrations, concerts, and other major public events. Recently, Benjamin Mkapa Stadium has undergone renovation for CHAN 2024 and AFCON 2027. Benjamin Mkapa modern design and facilities make it a central hub for sports and culture in Tanzania. The fourth venue is Kasarani Stadium, officially known as Moi International Sports Center. This is Kenya's largest and most iconic sports complex. Located in Nairobi, it was originally built in 1987 with Chinese support to host the All-African Games. The stadium has current capacity of 55,000 and features a running track, football and a rugby pitch, an indoor arena, a competition-sized swimming pool, and even 108-bed hotel. It serves as the home ground for the Kenya national football team and local clubs like Mathare United and Tusker FC. Over the years, it has hosted major events including the 2017 World Under-18 Championship and the 2021 World Athletic Under-20 Championships. Recently, Kasarani underwent significant renovations in preparation for 2027 African Cup of Nations, which Kenya will co-host. Upgrades included a new roof, enhanced floodlights, and the installation of VAR technology, bringing it up to international standards. It is not just a stadium, it is a symbol of Kenya's sporting ambition and regional pride. So here is where the opening game and others will be played. Tanzania's Benjamin Mkapa Stadium in Dar es Salaam will host the opening match of CHAN 2024 tournament on August 2nd. The Mandela Stadium in Uganda has been designated to host the third and fourth playoff match of the event. Kenya's Kasarani Stadium in Nairobi will host the final match of the competition on 30 August. Additionally, Zanzibar's Aman Stadium has been designated as one of the host venues, a decision that underscores CAF's commitment to expanding the reach and inclusivity of African football. Aman Stadium recently staged a successful Total Energy CAF Confederation Cup final between Simba of Tanzania and RS Berkane of Morocco. So, the host cities for the group stages of the tournament are as follows. Group A will play in Nairobi and includes Kenya, Morocco, Angola, Democratic Republic of Congo, and Zambia. Group B will play in Dar es Salaam, Tanzania, and it includes Tanzania, Madagascar, Mauritania, Burkina Faso, and Central African Republic. Group C will play in Kampala, Uganda, and includes Uganda, Niger, Guinea, South Africa, and Algeria. And Group D will play in Zanzibar, Tanzania, and includes Senegal, Congo, Sudan, and Nigeria. So, Kenya have Group A, Tanzania have Group B and Group D, and Uganda has Group C. So, there you have it, the stadiums that will be used for CHAN 2024. If you're new to this channel, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to The Boss TV. Thank you for watching and see you next time, my friend. Until then, as always, bye-bye.